Debt is a word that often sends shivers down the spine, conjuring images of financial ruin, sleepless nights, and endless stress. Yet, in the vibrant and bustling landscape of Nigeria, debt is a multifaceted concept that is frequently misunderstood. It's not merely a burden. It can also be a powerful tool for growth and opportunity. In a country where entrepreneurial spirit thrives and aspirations soar high, understanding the complexities of debt is crucial for anyone looking to navigate the financial waters. At its core, debt can be categorized into two primary types: good debt and bad debt. Good debt is an investment in your future, a means to enhance your net worth or future earning capacity. For example, a business loan taken out to expand a small enterprise can lead to increased revenue and profitability. Mortgages, too, can be considered good debt when they enable individuals to purchase homes that appreciate in value over time. On the other hand, bad debt incurs costs without providing any significant returns. Credit card debt, particularly when used to finance lifestyle choices rather than essential purchases, often falls into this category. In Nigeria, where consumer culture is rapidly evolving, the line between good and bad debt can sometimes blur, leading individuals into financial quagmires. Take, for instance, the aspiring entrepreneur who secures a loan to launch a startup. This is good debt. The expectation is that the business will generate income that exceeds the cost of the loan. However, if that same entrepreneur finds themselves relying on credit cards to cover personal expenses or to fund the business without a clear plan, they may quickly spiral into bad debt. The allure of instant gratification can lead to overspending, especially in a society where the latest gadgets and fashion trends are constantly promoted through social media. This brings us to the concept of ugly debt, which is the kind that leads to financial distress and stress. Ugly debt often accumulates when individuals take on excessive obligations without a solid repayment plan, leading to anxiety and a sense of being trapped. In navigating the complexities of debt, it's essential to understand how to leverage it responsibly. When used strategically, debt can be a powerful tool for investment and growth. Real estate is a prime example. Acquiring properties through mortgages can yield significant returns over time as property values appreciate. Similarly, business expansion through loans can open up new markets and increase profitability. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Thorough due diligence and risk assessment are non-negotiable steps before taking on any debt. Understanding the terms of the loan, the repayment schedule, and the potential return on investment is crucial. Now, let's delve into the increasingly popular Buy Now, Pay Later (BNPL) schemes that have taken Nigeria by storm. These services offer consumers the convenience of making purchases and paying for them in installments, which can be particularly appealing in a country where many people live paycheck to paycheck. The immediate gratification of acquiring a desired item without the upfront cost can be tempting. However, the potential pitfalls are numerous. Overspending is a common risk. The ease of access to credit can lead consumers to purchase items they cannot afford, ultimately resulting in a cycle of debt. Additionally, late payments can negatively impact credit scores, making it harder to secure loans in the future. To use BNPL services judiciously, consumers should focus on budgeted purchases and short-term needs. For instance, if you need a new laptop for work or school, Using a BNPL service can make sense if you have a clear repayment strategy in place. Setting a budget and ensuring that the installments fit within your monthly expenses is crucial. This way, you can enjoy the benefits of BNPL without falling into the trap of overspending. When discussing debt, one cannot overlook the critical role of credit in Nigeria. Credit comes in various forms, including personal loans, credit cards, and even mobile lending services that have gained traction in recent years. Maintaining good credit is essential, as it opens doors to better financial opportunities. A good credit score can lead to lower interest rates on loans, making it more affordable to borrow money for significant purchases or investments. Building credit responsibly involves several strategies. First, it's important to pay bills on time. Late payments can significantly damage your credit score. Second, keeping credit utilization low, ideally below 30% of your available credit, is key. This means if you have a credit limit of 100,000 naira, you should aim to use no more than 30,000 naira at any given time. Lastly, regularly checking your credit report for errors and disputing any inaccuracies can help maintain a healthy credit profile. As we navigate the complexities of debt, it's also vital to have effective debt repayment strategies in place. For many Nigerians, debt can feel overwhelming, but with the right approach, it is manageable. Two popular methods for debt repayment are the avalanche and snowball methods. The avalanche method prioritizes paying off high-interest debts first, which can save money over time. For instance, if you have multiple debts with varying interest rates, focus on the one with the highest interest while making minimum payments on the others. Once the high-interest debt is paid off, you can redirect those funds to the next highest interest debt, and so on. On the other hand, the snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first. This approach can provide psychological benefits, as eliminating smaller debts can create a sense of accomplishment and motivate you to tackle larger ones. Regardless of the method chosen, consistency is key. Setting up a realistic budget that accounts for all expenses and debt repayments can help maintain focus and discipline. It's essential to track progress and adjust the plan as needed. As we wrap up this exploration of debt in Nigeria, it's clear that while the topic can seem daunting, understanding the nuances of debt can empower individuals to make informed financial decisions. Whether you're considering a loan for a new business venture, contemplating the use of BNPL services, or working to build your credit, the choices you make today can significantly impact your financial future. I invite you to share your experiences or questions regarding debt management. What challenges have you faced? What strategies have worked for you? Together, we can continue this important discussion about navigating debt effectively, ensuring that it serves as a tool for growth rather than a source of stress.